Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm excited to share these products with you. However, I need to start this with the first item I'm going to show you is a stencil. And if you don't see it on my website, that means it is sold out. Just a heads up. I need you to know that. It goes with our club set. So if you are a stamp and or diehard club member, you are getting the stamp set that matches this. But sometimes you don't want to color and you just need a stencil. Oh yeah, I got you covered, right? Oh, no pun intended. Anyway, that is now available. The first 24 hours it's on the website or until sold out, it is on flash sale. If you want to save even more money, club members, make sure you check out the online bundle. Here we go. Here's another one. Dun, 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 stamp set. Now, this one is called Beach Time Sayings, and it has so many awesome ones. Life is better with waves. Hello, sweet summer. Let's hit the beach. High tides and good vibes. Happiness comes in waves. And sun, sand, surf. I've also included 2 mini versions, perfect for the back of your cards or to decorate your envelopes. The little beach umbrella and the little beach chair. Moving on, because this one is amazing. I had so much fun designing this. It is a 5x7 background, but with a little asterisk behind it. 5x7 background, asterisk, because this is perfect for slimline. This is perfect for A2. This is perfect for A1, because you're just going to trim it down a little for those three, for the A2 and the A1. Mini slimline, you trim it down. Slimline, you might need to add a little bit more. But check this out. So here we have the sand. Here we have the ocean. Here we have extra pieces. We have rocks, which are so fun with the shadow dies. Lots of clouds. We have the sun with the sun that goes inside if you want. And a palm tree, which I love. Last but not least, and probably one of my favorites, remember that butterfly edge die that we did that everyone fell madly, deeply in love with? Oh yeah, I did it again. We now have a shell edge die card base. So exciting. Comes with the word, because it's like a clam shell, right? Comes with the words happy as a clam for you. You could also cut that off and just have it say happy as a clam. Cute, right? Turn this baby over. You have the dies on this side right here. You have a shadow die for here. You also have the words you are very special, but special because it's a shell, get it? You also have the hey there. I think that says, yeah, hey there, and 2 shells to layer on the front. Now, sit back, relax, and let's check out the samples because my design team went nuts. Are you ready? Get set. Add your 5x7 background to our 5x7 card base with that stripe, and look how much fun. Die cut that palm tree a couple times, and you are in business, right? Look how cute that is. Hello, sweet summer. Love it. Here's a cute one using our pattern paper clouds. I love this. A1 in size. We got our little chair on there. Look how cute this is. Hello, sweet summer. Here's another one. Hello, sweet summer. So you're going to be using those saying stamps a lot. Take it easy. I love that. Oh, are you ready for this? Happy as a clam for you. Look at how gorgeous those shells are on there. Look at how pretty. You are very special. Get it? Shell. I love it. I love it. I love it. So let's look at another one. Whoa, Nelly. This one is a shaker card. Look at this. Look at how intricate those shells are, you guys. So much fun. And again, you get the single dies also. So if you wanted to change the colors on that, you could just you could just add them on top, right? This one is a shaker. So much fun. Love that. Open that up. Write your message. Some of my favorite colors in the house. Look at that. Hey there. Look at how gorgeous that is. Perfect for summer, perfect for vacation. Sun, sand, surf. I love it. Ooh, here's more of a mixed media look. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Here is one. Easy peasy. Die cut and go. All this is die cut and go. You're done, right? So awesome. That pattern paper back there, that is one of the that's one of the dies in the kit. Ooh, look at this. Now I want to show you a couple at the same time because I want you to see how different but how similar these all are. Using the same dies, totally different, but using the same dies. Here's another one. Using the same dies. So you're getting that fun sand, you're getting that ocean, you're getting the palm trees, add your beach chair, add your beach umbrella. Look at how cute that is. High tides and good vibes. I love that. Here's another one. Oh, add a campfire on there. Add some little sailboats. Look at, add that sun. Isn't that adorable? Extra palm trees. Here's more extra palm trees, right? You can't go wrong with extra palm trees. Look at this shaker card. Isn't that gorgeous? Hello, sweet summer. Do it as a sunset, right? Isn't that awesome? I love that. And it is a shaker. So fun. And here's another one. Look at that. Seriously, you guys, this is just die cut and go. Die cut and go. No thinking needed, right? Look at how fun that is. Use your stencil to make those fun little colors on there. Let's hit the beach. But here it is. Oh, this is a different version. But look at how fun this is on A2 as well. So awesome. Oh, last but not least, here's another shell with our chunky glitter behind it. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. I'm in love. I'm in love. My friends, you know the deal. If you're a club member, yes, you're getting the club discount on all of these products. The first 24 hours, they're on our website or until sold out. Last month, we sold out of a lot of things. Until sold out, the first 24 hours, they are on flash sale, meaning it's a better price than regular. Our regular price is awesome, but flash sale is even better, right? Who doesn't want to save money? If you're a club member, you get even more of a discount. Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club if you're not in any of our clubs. They start as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set. So you're getting a 4x6 stamp set made in the United States for $13.99 delivered to your house. Well, is there $5 shipping? No. If you're in Canada, it's 50 cents more. If you're international, it's $1.50 more. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.